Are you tired of relying on expensive paid ads while your competitors dominate Google? At SEO Service Care, we help service-based businesses turn organic search into a predictable revenue engine. Let me show you exactly how we did this for Northern Metalic, a Canadian service brand. In August 2024, when they came to us, they had a strong offline reputation but a struggling website. Their technical health score was stuck at 67%, with only 344 ranking keywords and about 1.1K monthly organic traffic. We needed a scalable, white hat strategy to fix this quickly. In Phase 1, we executed a comprehensive technical SEO audit. We fixed crawl inefficiencies and canonical inconsistencies, and improved core web vitals, bringing the site health score up to 93%. The second phase focuses on relevance. We've conducted intent-driven keyword research, optimized key service pages, strengthened the internal linking architecture, and applied structured data to align perfectly with local search intent. For Phase 3, we executed a strict white hat authority building strategy. We acquired over 1.3K niche relevant and branded backlinks, while removing over 200 toxic links, ensuring a brand-safe execution. Within 3 months, the change became apparent. The ranking keywords increased to 496. Monthly organic traffic has nearly doubled to 2K. Domain ratings have increased, and bio visibility has consistently improved. This kind of growth is what happens when you combine technical precision with a clean, defensible SEO strategy. So, if you run a business and want to stop relying on ads and start dominating your local market, let's talk.